Hi guys, hope you're well, hope you're good and safe and sane, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing the Chloe Ting hashtag all over social media, all over YouTube. A lot of people are following it, and you know me, I'm a trier, I try everything. The Chloe Ting challenge is just for 2 weeks. It's a series of ab workouts that you do every day for 2 weeks for 10 minutes, and that is it. Sounds very easy, right? Yeah, I thought so too. So in this video, you're gonna see me do those ab workouts, and you're gonna see my struggle, my pain, and my results at the end of it. For the first couple of days, I could not complete a workout. I would have to stop every 15 to 20 seconds because it was that hard. My abs felt like they were somewhat hurting me, but my arms felt like they were on fire. It was this workout that made it hurt. At this point, I started to feel a lot more stronger, and I found that I could complete the first couple of exercises in full without stopping. I'm really glad I actually did this challenge. I'm so happy that I can see a lot more definition on my abs, and I can see something happening. So I'm definitely going to continue with this workout for another 2 weeks and see how that goes. I think I'm probably going to do her full body 2-week summer shred challenge program thing on her website. It's free on her website. I'll put a link of everything in the, I'm not going to try and say that word, but in the box below I'll put everything in there. And but I think I'm probably going to try her whole full body 2-week summer straight workout and see how that goes. But I'm definitely going to continue with the ab workouts for another 2 weeks and see if there's any more difference, any more change. So thank you for watching, guys. Before I go, I know I still owe you a video about these locs that I have on. And it is coming. I am working on it. I've already done the video. I just need to edit it and put it together and everything. So that is coming. So in the next video, or the video after that, I'm actually going to do a review on this ordinary peeling solution facial skin exfoliating mask thing. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on it on YouTube lately, and I felt like, you know what, I've had this bottle for a while now, so why don't I try it? And I actually tried it last night, and I'm going to probably use it again in the next 2 weeks and come back to you with a review and tell you how it works and blah blah blah. So if you want to see a review on this, keep tuned and keep coming back. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, the notification bell as well, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye.